Here I am at 110 Hobbies, coming to do some reviews. What should we review today? What should we look at today? Oh, this is cool. Should have a look at that. Sweet. Hey guys, I am at 110 Hobbies here to actually do a review on this little guy. This is the Huina Toys. That's a hard name to pronounce. And it's actually a 1/14th scale digger. And this one actually, the box is pretty big. It actually has a 22 function on this excavator. So the digging and how fast it is, it's very nice and responsive. We'll do a quick test on this and actually maybe bring it out to the garden and do a couple little holes on it. But it is nice and sweet. Let me put the phone down and actually try it inside here real quick. It's gonna blow! So this is really cool, and hopefully you guys can hear me over the sound. But it's pretty strong. And it turns pretty fast also. And you can actually do kind of funny things with it. This thing is fun to play with. So this is not, I'll turn it off. This is not hydraulic. Everything is gears. So the gears for the boom and all that, this is all gears in it. It is not hydraulic kit. I heard that there's a lot of people that actually do conversion for these. They are a little on the small side to do oil conversion, but I'm sure there is out there. But out of the box, this thing is fun. It's pretty heavy, and it should work pretty good onto the trail. I like it. Tracks, the rubber tracks are nice. They're not too. They're not a very soft plastic, but they're pretty good. You have a nice little interior inside. Very scale details on it. And you guys probably don't want me to talk too much about it. You guys probably want to see a running video of this.
Yeah, we do.
Yeah, we do. So here's a battery compartment for that. Yeah, it's a Li-ion battery. Okay, 1200 milliamp, 7.4. Cool. And it does come with a charger. So right out of the box, you can actually run this. So let's take this out in the garden and have some fun with it. The clicking sound that you hear is normal. It's just a servo saver on the digger that's just telling you you've reached the limit on it. So it is normal. You are not stripping any gears. It's just a servo saver telling you, hold off. Trying to find a potato. That's a nice big deep shovel. There's a potato. Oh yeah, there's a potato. We found the potato. Let's see if you can pick it up. It's dug up in there.
Yeah, you gotta clear out around it.
Got to clear out around it.
I could learn the controls better.
Oh, you did get it. You did get it out. Oh, you're weak. Oh.
Oh,
Now you gotta back up. Get that stuff out of your bucket there. Make room for a tomato. So guys, if you have a potato garden, you can actually buy this and actually have fun cultivating your potatoes. It probably does carrots also. So I guess Paul is not a pro driver. I've seen guys take caps off bottles with these things. The real ones.
okay, we're gonna get it this time.
Mind you, I probably would not do better than this. There we go.
We got her. Oop. Okay, you ready?
Just like that. We have a potato.
That's awesome.
Cool.
You know what I'm doing next year?
What are you doing next year?
I'm gonna be digging all my potatoes with this.
You gotta find the potatoes. It's got flashy lights inside. Well guys, thanks for watching. This is a lot of fun. And if you need anything, call 110 Hobbies or go visit their website. And I'm sure they can help you out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, give a thumbs up, like and subscribe. And don't forget to ring the bell. Oh, you're putting back in the hole.
Okay, gotta refill the hole, right?
Cool. And I walk away with a potato. French fries. Gotta make it fit in.
That's right.